If you love the flavor of cranberry and orange and are looking for a gluten-free, low-carb snack, then I've got just the thing. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we get together every week and we harness the power of real food, making easy, healthy, and delicious recipes together. Today we're going to be making gluten-free orange cranberry muffins. Today we're going to be baking with coconut flour, which is a wonderful low-carb gluten-free flour substitute. However, you cannot substitute one-for-one with this flour. It's a very thirsty flour, meaning that it soaks up a lot of moisture. So you're going to notice that we don't use that much coconut flour in our recipe today, but we're going to be adding a lot of wet ingredients. So let's begin. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, we're going to add 1/2 of a cup of the coconut flour. Next, we're going to add 1/2 of a cup of Lakanto, or you can substitute with your favorite low glycemic sweetener. So Lakanto is just a mixture of erythritol and monk fruit extract. Next we have 1/2 of a teaspoon of pink Himalayan or sea salt, 1/2 a teaspoon of baking soda, and then also for a little bit of spice I have 1/2 of a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon. Whisk together your dry ingredients and then set them aside. In a large mixing bowl, we're going to add in 6 free-range organic eggs. Local is even better. Now, I haven't tried an egg substitute with this recipe, but you're more than welcome to try. Next, we have 1/2 of a cup of melted and cold coconut oil, or you could substitute with grass-fed butter or ghee. Just be sure that your coconut oil is cool, otherwise you're going to end up with scrambled eggs, and that's not really what we're going for today. This next ingredient is optional, it's just for flavor. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of orange zest. So a lot of times you're going to see these orange cranberry muffins call for orange juice, but I wanted to reduce the amount of sugar today in our muffins, so I'm just using the zest to bring out that orange flavor. Just be sure to use an organic orange. Whisk together your wet ingredients. Then add your dry to your wet ingredients and stir together. Fold in 1 cup of dried or fresh cranberries. So you can use unsweetened cranberries or cranberries that have been sweetened with apple juice. You can chop up the cranberries or leave them whole. Scoop out your mixture into your paper-lined muffin tins and bake in a 350-degree preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Muffins are done when a toothpick comes out clean when inserted in the middle. Okay, let's give these cranberry orange muffins a taste. That's got a wonderful cranberry orange flavor, and they taste really buttery. Even though there is no butter, I just used coconut oil. And they're also very filling. So these are muffins that are so great because you can just have one, it fills you up, you're satisfied, you don't have a ton of sugar hitting your bloodstream. It's wonderful. I hope you give these muffins a try. Thanks so much for joining me today. Have an amazing week, make healthy choices, and I will see you next week in the kitchen. Take care. Bye-bye.